Good morning and welcome to video lecture on colligative properties. We have learned that vapor pressure of solution decreases when a non-volatile solute is added to volatile solvent. There are many properties of solutions which are connected with this decrease of vapor pressure. These are relative lowering of vapor pressure of solvent, depression of freezing point of solvent, elevation of boiling point of solvent, and osmotic pressure of the solution. The properties depend upon number of solute particles present in the solution. The actual number of solute particles present in the solution decides the value of colligative property. The non-volatile solute that neither dissociate nor associate in solution do not ionize, producing ions, and also do not associate to form aggregate molecules. The number of particles of solute does not change on dissolving in solvent. Colligative properties are used to determine molar masses of non-electrolyte solid. The first property, elevation of boiling point of solvent. Boiling point is the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, and vapor pressure of liquid increases with increase of temperature. Liquids having greater intermolecular forces have high boiling point. The vapor pressure of solution of non-volatile solute is always less than that of pure solvent. At the temperature of boiling point of pure solvent, solution will not boil as its pressure is less than that of vapor pressure of pure solvent, which is also equal to the atmospheric pressure. This graph shows vapor pressure against temperature. Similar to lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point also depends on number of solute molecules. Liquids having greater intermolecular forces have higher boiling point. Delta Tb is equal to T minus T0, where T is the boiling point of solution, T0 boiling point of pure solvent, T is greater than T0. Delta Tb is the elevation of boiling point. It is difference between boiling point of solution and the pure solvent. Experiments have been shown that for a dilute solution, the elevation of boiling point delta Tb naught is directly proportional to molar concentration of the solute in a solution. Therefore, delta Tb is proportional to m, or delta Tb is equal to Kb into m, where m is molality of solution, Kb is molar elevation of boiling point constant or ebullioscopic constant. Tb is expressed in Kelvin and m in mole per kg. Hence, Kb is kg per mole. For m is equal to 1, Kb is equal to delta Tb. Kb is elevation of boiling point produced when 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. If W2 grams of solute is dissolved in W1 grams of solvent, the molar mass M2 molality is equal to mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solute in kg per mole into mass of solvent in kg. Therefore, M is equal to W upon M2 into W1. Substituting the value of molality, delta TB is equal to Kb into W2 upon M2 into W1. Therefore, M2 is equal to Kb into W2 upon delta TB into W1. Our next property is depression of freezing point of solvent. Freezing point of liquid is a temperature at which the vapor pressure of solute is equal to vapor pressure of liquid. According to Raoult's law, when a non-volatile solid is added to a solvent, its vapor pressure decreases and now it would become equal to that of solid solvent at low temperature. The graph shows vapor pressure against temperature. Let T0 is the freezing point of pure solvent. Tt is the freezing point when non-volatile solute is dissolved in it. The decrease in freezing point delta Tf is equal to delta F0 minus Tt. Freezing point for dilute solution is directly proportional to molality. Therefore, delta Tf is proportional to M, or delta Tf is equal to Kf into M. Kf is freezing point depression constant or molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. If W2 grams of solute is dissolved in W1 grams of solvent of molar mass M2 produces the depression in freezing point Tf of the solvent, and molality of the solute is given by M is equal to W2 upon M2 upon W1 upon 1000. Substituting the value of molality in equation 1, we get Tf is equal to Kf into W upon M2 upon W1 upon 1000. Therefore, Tf is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. Therefore, M2 is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by delta Tf into W1. So, in today's lecture, we will learn relative lowering of vapor pressure of solvent, elevation of boiling point of solvent, and depression of freezing point of solvent. Thank you.